Electric bikes make riding easy and fun for everyone. They help you go farther without getting tired. Hills become easy. Commuting stops being a sweat fest. These 15 bikes are perfect for people who have never rode an electric bike before. They are simple to use, comfortable, and will not break your bank account. Number 15. Lectric XP 3.0. The Lectric XP 3.0 folds up to fit in your car trunk. This makes it perfect for beginners who live in apartments or need to store it inside. The bike weighs about 60 pounds, but folds in seconds. The motor gives you plenty of power to climb hills easily. The fat tires roll over bumps and cracks smoothly. You get about 40 miles on one charge. The step-through frame makes getting on super easy. Around $1,000 gets you a quality folding bike. This is the perfect starter bike for city riders. Number 14. Ride1Up Core-5. Ride1Up built an affordable bike that does not feel cheap. The Core-5 costs just under $1,500. The motor helps you pedal up to 28 miles per hour. The battery lasts for about 35 miles. The simple design makes it easy to learn. You get 7 gears to choose from. The LCD screen shows your speed and battery life clearly. The bike arrives mostly assembled so you can ride quickly. This is perfect for beginners who want good value without extra features they will not use. Number 13. Propella 7 SV 4.2. The Propella 7S looks and feels like a regular bike. It weighs only 37 pounds, which is super light. You can carry it upstairs easily. The motor gives gentle help, so riding feels natural. The battery hides inside the frame for a clean look. You get about 40 miles per charge. The bike costs around $1,500. 7 speeds handle most riding situations. This bike works great for beginners who want something that looks normal and feels simple to ride around the neighborhood. Number 12. Rad Power RadMission. Rad Power made the RadMission super simple for new riders. It has just 1 speed, so you never worry about shifting gears. The motor does all the work climbing hills. The battery gives you about 45 miles of range. The step-through frame makes mounting easy. Lights come built in for safety. The price sits around $1,200. The bike weighs 50 pounds, which feels solid but not too heavy. This is perfect for beginners who want simple commuting without complicated controls. Number 11. Aventon Soltera.2. Aventon built the Soltera for casual city riding. The lightweight frame makes it easy to handle. The motor gives smooth power up to 20 miles per hour. The battery lasts about 40 miles on one charge. The bike looks sleek and modern. 8 color options let you choose your style. The price starts around $1,300. Assembly takes just minutes. The simple controls make learning easy. This bike works great for beginners who want a stylish ride for errands and fun weekend trips. Number 10. Trek FX+2. Trek brings serious quality to beginner bikes. The FX+2 uses a Bosch motor that runs smooth and quiet. The battery integrates into the frame nicely. You get about 50 miles per charge. 9 gears handle any terrain. The comfortable riding position keeps your back happy. Built-in lights and fenders come standard. The price hits around $2,500. Trek dealers help with assembly and service. This bike is perfect for beginners who want top quality and local support. Number 9. Specialized Como SL 4.0. Specialized made the Como feel like riding a regular bike with superpowers. The motor gives gentle help that feels natural. The bike weighs just 40 pounds, which is super light. The battery lasts about 50 miles. 10 gears shift smoothly. The upright position keeps you comfortable. Hydraulic disc brakes stop you safely. The price reaches around $3,500. This is premium quality for beginners who can spend more. Local bike shops provide great support and service. Number 8. Canyon Citylite ON. Canyon built the perfect city commuter bike. The upright position lets you see everything around you. The comfy saddle has suspension under it. Big tires roll smoothly over rough streets. The motor helps you cruise easily. Lights and fenders come already installed. You can add racks to carry stuff. The price stays reasonable for the quality you get. The bike arrives in a box, but assembly is simple. This works great for beginners doing daily commutes in the city. Number 7. Lectric XP 4.0. The XP 4.0 improves on the already great XP 3.0. This folding bike packs serious power in a compact package. The motor pushes you up to 28 miles per hour. Fat tires handle any surface you ride on. The suspension fork smooths out bumps. You can carry a passenger on the back rack. The battery gives you about 60 miles of range. Around $2,000 gets you an incredibly versatile bike. This is perfect for beginners who want one bike that does everything. Number 6. Aventon Aventure.3. The Aventure.3 dominates rough terrain with huge fat tires. The 750-watt motor climbs hills like a beast. Front suspension smooths out bumpy trails. The battery lasts about 50 miles. The comfortable seat has suspension too. You can ride on sand, snow, or dirt easily. Built-in security features protect your bike. Around $2,000 buys serious off-road capability. This bike works great for beginners who want adventure beyond paved roads. Number 5. Aventon Level.3. The Level.3 became the best overall commuter bike. It includes everything you need right out of the box. The rack carries your stuff. Lights with turn signals keep you safe. Fenders block water and mud. The built-in lock stops thieves. The motor helps you reach 28 miles per hour. The battery lasts about 40 miles. The bike weighs 55 pounds, so you can lift it onto a rack. Around $1,800 gets you the complete package. This is perfect for serious commuters, starting with electric bikes. Number 4. Rad Power RadRunner Plus. The RadRunner Plus works like a small electric motorcycle. The low frame makes getting on super easy. The motor delivers strong power. Fat tires roll over anything. The passenger seat lets you carry a friend. The cargo capacity handles groceries and gear. You get about 45 miles per range. The simple controls make riding easy. Around $2,000 buys incredible versatility. This bike is perfect for beginners who need to carry stuff or people around town. Number 3. Giant Explore E+. Giant built a bike that handles everything smoothly. The motor comes from Yamaha and runs super quiet. The battery gives you about 50 miles of range. The automatic shifting changes gears for you. You never think about which gear to use. The suspension fork smooths bumps. Wide tires grip well on any surface. The radar system warns you about cars behind you. Around $3,500 buys top-tier technology. This is perfect for beginners who want the best and easiest riding experience. Number 2. Segway Xafari. The Xafari packs more features than any other bike. Front and rear suspension make every ride smooth. The huge battery lasts over 60 miles. The motor delivers tons of power. Fat, knobby tires handle trails and streets equally well. The app lets you track your bike location. Navigation sends directions to the display screen. The bike weighs 94 pounds, so it feels solid. Around $4,000 buys the most advanced beginner bike available. This works great for people who want every feature possible. Number 1. Orbea Muga 20. The Orbea Muga 20 wins as the best all-around electric bike for beginners. The full suspension frame handles rough terrain perfectly. The Bosch motor gives powerful, smooth help. The battery lasts up to 90 miles on one charge. The rear rack carries 66 pounds of cargo. Smart features include navigation and security tracking. The bike works amazing on trails, streets, and commutes. The Spanish design looks beautiful and functions perfectly. Around $4,000 buys a bike that could be the only one you ever need. This is perfect for beginners who want to invest in one amazing bike that does absolutely everything well.